Hello dear student, welcome back once again. My name is Paras Kalaria and I am your instructor for this course, Advanced Web Designing. In this lecture, we are going to see how lab manual is arranged for this particular course. As you know that in IT, every practical subject is having lab. So what we are going to do in this lab? This is your front page of lab manual. You are going to given this soft copy of lab manual so that you can complete your all the lab practical assignments or lab manual work in this soft copy only mode. This is the front page. Next, let us see the index of the lab manual. This is the index of your lab manual. Over here, as per the unit distribution of syllabus, there are many practical programs is designed. You are guided through each and every practicals, how we are going to complete these practicals during the lecture only, and we will see the homework of this submission during the lecture only. So this is the index of your lab manual. This is also provided through mainly Google Classroom or some another means to you. That means this soft copy is mailed through Google Classroom or via email. This is the index part, and then this is the input part. This is the format of lab manual. For example, this is the first experiment where you have to perform this experiment. You have to write down your source code or the solution of code in this particular box. There are many PDF editor tools where you can edit the PDF so that you can first of all code your program, and then you have to paste your code in soft copy only over here in lab manual. And after that, in output page, you have to just paste your output over here. So this is for the first practical. Likewise, all the practicals having similar kind of methodologies which we are going to follow. As you have seen, there are plenty of practicals for this subject. We are going to make document for each and every practical like this first practical. So during live interaction, I will guide you in detail how we are going to complete this lab manual task. So this is it for lab manual purpose. We will see you next in the next lecture, which will start from unit number 1. Thank you very much.